Hey there, Mac users. If you're experiencing the dreaded slowdown of your beloved Mac, don't panic. Today, we've got 3 fantastic solutions to speed up that sluggish performance and have your Mac running like new. So, let's jump right in. The first solution is cleaning up Mac hard drive. Cleaning up your Mac is the key, but it can be a tedious task. Fear not, as we have a handy tool named MaCube Cleaner. This professional Mac cleaning tool is designed for disk cleaning and memory optimization. With various cleaning modes, MaCube can swiftly locate and remove junk files, large and old files, iTunes backups, and duplicates. It even lets you preview, select, and delete unwanted files without the hassle of digging through different folders. And guess what? You can give it a whirl for free for 7 days. That's more than enough time to reclaim that precious disk space. Here are the steps to clean hard drive with MaCube. Begin by opening MaCube on your computer, where the main feed provides a clear overview of its features. Effortlessly clear junk files by utilizing the Smart Scan feature and proceeding with a simple click. After a brief 1-minute scan, MaCube categorizes and displays all identified junk files, including their respective sizes. If you wish to preview, locate the files and select the ones for deletion before clicking the Clean button. Wait a few seconds for the cleanup process to complete, effectively reclaiming valuable space on your Mac and resolving any performance slowdown issues. Securing the second spot is reinstalling OS on your Mac. If your Mac needs more than just a cleanup, a fresh start might be the answer. Reinstalling the OS won't delete your files, but can give your Mac the boost it needs. At number 3 is ending process on Activity Monitor. Sometimes, it's not just about storage. It's about what's running in the background. To fix that with the Activity Monitor and say goodbye to unnecessary processes, giving your Mac the breathing space it deserves. There you have it, guys. 3 powerful ways to speed up your slow-running Mac. If these tips helped you, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more MaCube, and ring that notification bell. Until next time, happy computing.